Okay, so in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth, and then the earth was without form and void. But then God created light, and there was darkness and light, and God separated the darkness and the light. The darkness is night, and the light is day. And that was day one. The next day, God separated what was above from what was below. He called the below sea, and he called the above sky. That's day two. The next day, God created land and plants, and that's day three. Wait, but here's the plot twist. So on day one, God created the sun and the moon and the stars, and on day four, they weren't visible for the first three days. So on day four, he finally decided, for my special creation, I must make the sun, the moon, and the stars visible. So he made the sun, moon, and the stars visible in the sky. That was day four. The next day, God made fish and birds. God made sea animals and sky animals. No! Sawma. And then, and that was day five. The next day, God created land animals like giraffes, cats, dogs, monkeys, apes, baboons, flamingos, blobfish, orangutan, unga bunga.
No.
Wait. But remember that special creation from the plot twist? Well, the special creation was also made. It was a human. The human's name was Adam, and he was the first human on earth. That was day 6 done. And on day 7, God rested, and then Adam got married to Eve, and I think all the animals, but before that, he named all the animals, and I guess when Adam and Eve got married, they held the first ever wedding ceremony, and I think the animals were invited. And then they lived happily ever after. To be continued. That's my version of the creation story.